TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 10. You get the Nasdaq off 27. S&Ps are down 6. Gold contract is getting toasted and roasted here, down 21 bucks, 11.89 an ounce. You have silver down 35 cents, $16.27 an ounce. Platinum is down 15 at 9.24 an ounce. Copper is flat at $2.54 a pound. We have light sweet crude down for 43 cents, $47.60 a barrel. Notes. 10-year note down 15 ticks, 125.07. 30-year bond off 29 ticks, 152.11. And King Dollar up 589 ticks, 101.695. That's a new high. New high when I say in the last 15 years. Euro is trading at 105, and the yen is at 112.29. We go up and we take a look at the S&P. We have the SPY yesterday, closed at a new high. Bottom line right now, you're at 219.95. The benchmark out there to keep your eye on is the 219.60. What I do expect you're going to see out here today is that, you're going to slightly down market out here today. Bottom line, you're probably going to have a flat market. This is holiday trading, and they can move these markets, and they can move them quick. The composite's trading down 28 bucks. That's at 53.58. Bottom line, the number to keep your eye on there is the 53.40, but I expect that's also going to flatten out at the end of the day. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. What you have with the Dow Industrials is hanging at the highs. It's only down 4 bucks at 19,091. Now, gold. Let's take a look at gold. So this is what you have. Fast moves, folks, inside holiday trading. Bottom line, you get them, and you get them pretty good. Gold and the bond market and the dollar. That's what it's all about right now. Gold's down 24 bucks, 11.86, and you can expect they're going to keep trying to push this as low as they can push it. What we have just done intraday, the first leg down had the volume on it. The second leg down doesn't have the volume on it, but bottom line, they'll push that as low as they can get it. That being said, I don't expect that's going to stay down there when we come back on Monday. Silver, same type of setup inside the silver market, and the reason why I'll show you. The equities aren't getting smoked like the actual markets are. Silver's down 40 cents, 16.23. If you go over to the GDX and we take a look at the GDX versus going to the equities, what you're going to see, the GDX is pulling back into its swing low with dramatically lighter volume. That doesn't look like it's going to bust the 2013 area. Same with the bonds. Now we go over to the 10-year note. What you have with the 10-year note is this. 10-year note down 16 ticks. We're at 125.05. The lows that were established last week is 125.10. You've done 1.4 million contracts, and that's good contract volume, but bottom line, it's not what it needs to stay down there because you have to do about 2.4 million contracts, and I just don't see it because what we're going to have here, you're going to have 2 or 3 hours of high volatility trade, and then it's going to flatten out. 30-year is at 152.06. The swing point that you're dealing with is 152.12. Has some juice behind that move, but still hasn't got to a lower swing point. Good old King Dollar. What do you have with King Dollar? King Dollar breaks topside once again. King Dollar is up 669 ticks. You're at 101.70. And what I do expect you're going to see here, I expect it's going to stay over these highs of the 101.54. And the volatility is going to continue to be high. But what you're going to see as we start coming into the end of the day out here is that you're going to see these markets flatten out. The Dow's down 9. It'll probably be flat. The S&Ps are down 6. It's going to be flat. Nasdaq, the same type of situation. We'll see what they can end up doing with the gold market. But I can tell you that if you are, I would be bullish in gold, bonds, and the dollar looks to me like it's going to, the dollar can still stay higher. We'll see what that shakes out in the next couple of days. But this is typical pushing the market, fast, furious, and you'll see the reverse of many of these positions when we set up on Monday. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a great Thanksgiving. Have a safe Thanksgiving. Look forward to speaking right back here Monday morning, 8 o'clock. 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.